Hello space enthusiasts! Today we will talk about one of the greatest threats to space exploration. In the next 3 minutes we will discuss everything from dangers associated with it to possible solutions. Let's get into it. Everything that shines in the night sky are not stars. It's unfortunate that pollution has moved past Earth and started plaguing space, and space debris is just another form of pollution that has resulted from our negligence. Let's answer this universally challenged question. Space debris is a collection of useless man-made and natural objects like broken satellites, empty rockets, pieces of metal, etc. that are zipping into Earth's orbit. Basically just trash lying in space getting bigger and bigger. But what is the source of this debris? Of course we can't control naturally accumulating space debris, but we are responsible for the man-made junk. Dead spacecraft such as Vanguard 1 and satellites that completed their work period puncture over time, creating hundreds of debris objects which remain in orbit for decades. Lost equipment such as lost gloves from astronauts or lost camera devices and onboard tools also adds to this junk. A past debris source also happens to be testing of anti-satellite weapons, which created millions of large and small pieces which were left orbiting space. Much debris is also due to rocket upper stage, which breaks up due to decomposition of unburned fuel and ends up in orbit. But why the hue and cry? What's the problem? Space junk can be a hazard to active satellites and spacecraft due to collision between them. As of October 2019, it is recorded that nearly 20,000 artificial objects are in orbit above Earth, including 2,218 operational satellites. Despite protective Whipple shielding, even small impacts of these debris with spacecraft can produce a cloud of plasma, which is an electrical risk to the panels, and in case of crewed spacecrafts, a tiny collision can cause the loss of lives of crew members, which of course is the most alarming concern of future human space exploration. What are we doing to solve this problem? Teams of researchers and scientists around the world are tackling this issue. All space debris is constantly being tracked. To reduce the risk of humans on board ISS, it is to take shelter in the Soyuz, as has happened before due to late debris proximity warnings, although typically an avoidance maneuver to move the ISS from harm's way is the most favorable way. There are also space missions such as Clear Space One, which are designed to collect and grab junk from space. That's all from us folks. Hope this video answered your questions. Signing off, Team ISC. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content.